Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. All right, on Facebook Live. Just got off of YouTube and stuff like that. Okay, I think I'm gonna do Instagram Live after this if I think about it. Okay. All right, so welcome to this Facebook Live. All right, so I got my booster shot. Let me show y'all again. If it's your first time watching it, look at the bandage right there. Okay, got my card right here. Yep, and I also got Brock vaccinated as well. Okay. All right, so like I say, this is a serious virus, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, by one guy, I want to tell y'all, somebody was in my inbox talking about COVID ain't out here. He was getting all frustrated, upset, talking about COVID ain't out here and stuff like that. I ain't gonna mention that dude's name. I don't even know if he on my friend list or whatnot. Okay, he probably took me off his friend list or whatever. But who cares. But my word is this: if you catch that coronavirus, then that's on you. Then you'll be singing a whole different song, saying, "Oh, I should have listened to Domino. He tried to tell me this." Let me tell y'all something. This is a serious sickness. I'm telling y'all now. Okay, y'all can get mad all y'all want. Worse than the Karens. Some of them Karens they don't like to wear masks and stuff like that. Okay, so I have to get Brock vaccinated. Okay, so I got him vaccinated and I'm proud. Okay, put this phone on the hook. So I have to get him vaccinated. Okay, so he felt good and stuff like that. So this is first dose and this is my third booster. Okay, I had to do it like that. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I got that out the way. Yep, definitely got to get that out the way. So y'all need to take this very 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 seriously, ladies and gentlemen, please. Okay, so one fool out here saying, "Oh, COVID ain't out here." Huh. Well, I ain't gonna listen to no retard. That don't know what he talking about. Cause honestly, y'all, that's people like that's so ignorant and stuff like that. I ain't gonna mention his name. If he comment on this saying something, he exposed himself. So technically, he exposed himself if he comment. So. So I'm not gonna expose nobody, cause this is a very very serious virus. I know it's like the flu. People die from the flu and stuff like that. But honestly, I ain't going out there to the parades to get sick. No, hell no. Okay. I'm just gonna be in here eating my lasagna or my or my chicken dinner or whatever the heck we gonna have for dinner. Okay. As a matter of fact, we going to have tacos, We're going to have tacos for dinner and stuff like that. Yeah, we going to be cooking up some Green Taco Bell. Just some tacos. Yeah, Got to get some more raviolis and stuff. I'm going to try my best to stay alert, Okay? So while I work at downstairs and stuff, Okay, so anyway, as I was saying though, I'm a go get some more odds and ends and stuff like that. Okay, take this coronavirus very serious, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want to wind up like that so and so whoever he might be. So I ain't gonna mention his name though. So talking about COVID ain't out here getting mad over his favorite holiday. Yeah, I like Mardi Gras too. Yeah, but I'm not going out there because of this coronavirus. I don't want them cases to go up. I really don't. I hope them cases don't go up. I hope not. So I'm just gonna stay in here. Make sure everything be fine with me. That's all. All right. So that's all I'm gonna do, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. stay in here, play my game. Well, I was gonna do an Instagram live, but I changed my mind. You know, I changed my mind about doing Instagram live. So I'm not gonna do that. Not today. Okay, unless I go on Instagram live and communicate with somebody. You know, so we'll have to see what's gonna be up with that. You know, okay. So after this, I'm upload some more videos, do some more gameplays and stuff like that. You know, if you're watching this on YouTube, if it's on my Dominoes 66 channel, you already know what's up. If you're watching it on a different channel, then what's up? I got my booster, okay, and Brock got his first shot, okay. All right, thank y'all for watching. All right, talk to y'all another time. All right, bye.